Some good wine. Now we lying, guys. This is not alcohol at all.
No!
No, it's not alcohol. We broke. You gotta get apple juice.
Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is your girl Jody.
It's your boy David. What's up?
Today we have an announcement to make. Babe, tell the people to make an announcement. Not yet, no, tell them.
I don't know the announcement. What are you talking about? I don't even know. But what's up, guys?
It's a surprise.
Okay.
It's a surprise. Watch till in the middle of the end, you'll find out what the surprise is. So we haven't been posting any videos in the last 2 weeks, right?
Yeah.
Or 3 weeks.
No, 2 weeks.
2 weeks.
We've been very busy.
We've been busy, and yeah, the surprise is coming. And some of my subscribers or viewers, why are you shaking your head?
Because you don't know what to that's what you doing. Right?
Some of my subscribers on my Instagram page and some of my friends asking, Jody, why are you guys not posting any videos? But we just had to take a little break and make things happen.
Not a break from y'all guys, it's just a break for us doing a couple of things to make sure everything's okay. So yeah, I want to say thank you for everybody who wrote comments. I've read each one of your comments. It means a lot when I did the David Guru episode of my stuff I did. If you want any more questions you want me to answer for you, just put in the comments of this one. I know one guy, I'm just gonna answer because he just put something. He said, what it mean, he told me, he wrote that, how will you know somebody your true friend? You can never really know somebody your true friend to see what kind of intentions they have. A true friend will always be there for you, not money-wise, not just helping you do certain things. A true friend will motivate you to do better. And that's what a true friend is. He will always question, hey, what's up? How was your day? What did you do today? Did you do anything positive? Not somebody that would come to your house and you just sit there and look at TV or something. Somebody that make you want to go outside and make you want to do better in life. That's why I say a true friend. And in your crisis of need, or your needs of crisis, or it's crisis of need. When you ever need help the most, they will be there. Like,
okay.
Yeah.
And somebody asked a question, how... Why you
oh my God, my throat dry, that's why. My drink this.
Why?
My throat was dry, that's why.
Someone asked us, what do you ask? About making extra money in 2019. How can he make extra money in 2019? Alright,
how they can do that is a hobby. Make one of your hobbies that you like to do. I like playing video games. So extra income, not a lot, but still extra income. I stream, and people watch me play video games. So I play like this. This is a saying: if you at your job and you hate it, it's a job. But when you find something you love and you don't feel like you're working a day of your life, then it's a career or a hobby. If you like playing games, be a streamer. You can make a lot of money being a streamer if you're very great at the game, or be a YouTuber. We're not here for the money. We are here to give people great advice from our own opinion. We are not professionals. This is from our opinion. But yeah, extra income
and he can work harder, putting more effort in his
work. Forget work harder. There's no way to work smarter than harder.
Okay,
that's my saying.
Okay, boss.
You gotta be lazy sometimes.
Huh?
But
okay, so we are going to make a cheers first before we gotta make. Why am I nervous? I don't know why I'm nervous.
Guys, she's just very special. We're gonna do a cheers.
I'm special?
Yeah, you are. you drive that cheese bus. But, okay. You ready, guys?
Okay, so we are going to cheers.
Don't break the glass. Don't break this glass.
Take your time.
So this is special wine.
Let me taste it.
You gotta, smell it first. And then you gotta drink this wine. when you drink the wine, you gotta make sure your pinky's up, right? You gotta put your pinky up. Some good wine. Now we lying, guys. This is not alcohol at all.
No!
No, it's not alcohol. We broke. You gotta get apple juice. We're not drinking. We're drinking apple juice.
Juice.
We call this.
We don't drink alcohol, but let's drink
No,
orange
but
juice.
the orange juice is apple juice. It's no
I'm
juice.
bleeding, babe.
Cause you putting pressure on it. It's
Guys, I just got a cut. I was cooking jerk chicken.
No. Tell her the truth. She was cutting off some hair or whatever.
I was pulling my hair out, and you didn't want to help me.
Now I don't know what I'm doing. How about?
And I was using the scissors.
Look, she cut her finger. She, oh my God, I'm bleeding. Started crying like crazy. I said, babe, calm down.
See, my eyes are swollen. I was crying. Oh my God.
She was over exaggerating. She thought her finger about to come off. I put a band-aid. And then she puts another band-aid over that band-aid. And her finger started turning blue.
Yeah, because the blood wasn't running through my hand.
So I told her to take it off. Yeah.
Okay, guys. So, what's in your mouth?
I don't know, the chicken we ate earlier? Or burnt rice. I don't know.
Burnt rice. Don't play on me. Don't.
Some
No,
good
I
apples.
can't believe it. Put your pinky fingers up.
You gotta put that, man. You gotta put your pinky up.
So you do it.
And then when you gotta tilt it, when you pick it
How
up.
you do it?
And tilt it. Yeah, that's how you do it.
Okay.
So guys, all I'm gonna say, where we at in subscribers, how many do we have?
Oh, we are at 1,090 something.
Okay. So to the 1,090 something plus for the future, thank you for subscribing. Thank you for the comments and the likes. And whoever dislike, thank you too. Cause the like is a like, it means so much. If you guys want to do like a join YouTube thing, hit up Jody. We don't mind helping small YouTubers, or we don't mind helping people that's in our level. We could do like a collage of yours and mine's. We could host you one, or you could host us, and we could just build together. On a side note, why did we do a toast, babe? Did they say why we did a toast?
I wanted it to go down so they could watch it.
Oh, that's all right.
All right. So let's make a last toast. No. When we say that, when we say the, you burp? You burp on my vlog.
Alright, guys, look.
All right, tell them.
She needs to do a long conversation.
All right, tell them. Burp
Yeah,
again.
this apple juice is strong, bro. I can taste the alcohol in this apple juice. Hey guys, the reason why we doing the chairs because we moved to a bigger apartment. Bigger apartment. I have my own office to stream, to play games, to relax. I gave her the master bedroom to herself, so she's gonna be, that's all her. And we finally got a sofa.
Got a sofa from
IKEA. Now, if you want something nice, IKEA is good. But you know, I mean, my friends who already know me, I'm cheap. So, this sofa's $1,000, right? It's a good sofa.
It's a reclining sofa.
But you know, I tried inside a sofa. So to my friends, to Jody friends, to my family, to Jody family, y'all welcome to come. When y'all do come, just bring some food too, as you already know.
You love your stomach too much.
¿Qué pasa? Yo hablo inglés.
Yo no hablo
Yo hablo español.
hablo español.
Yes. But I just wanna say thank you for God too, because He just blessed us for this beautiful apartment. So what we're gonna do is every episode we're gonna just give you updates of the apartment. My office, the bath. Oh, I love the bathroom. The tub is really big.
You love the bathroom.
I can't get out the
You love
tub.
the bathroom. Guys, he can fit in the tub, but it's a hell for him to get out. You have to turn sideways to get out of the tub.
Oh my god.
You're getting big, man.
It's not getting big.
You know you're getting big.
Because of my disability, I can't just get straight up. I gotta pull myself up. And we're gonna get a wall mount, a TV mount, on top of a fire chimney, what we call that. I'm gonna take a picture.
Yeah, we have a chimney.
No.
Santa gonna come and
it's not a
bring
chimney.
gift.
It's a fake
It's a what?
chimney. I forgot what you call it.
It's
but-
like a fireplace.
Yeah, it's a fireplace. Thank you. A fireplace. We're gonna take a picture of it, and we're gonna show you our steps, what we did, and we're gonna add a carpet,
Rug.
whatever. Carpet, rug, the same thing. But who gonna vacuum? Not me.
Okay.
We do so over here. So, yeah.
Yeah,
And
no, let me
on
talk.
the other note, hold on. Jody's making a cooking tips. How to be a Jamaican.
No, teach
cook.
people how to like cook the Jamaican food. That's what.
God bless y'all, man, because her food is spicy.
It's
Traumatizing.
Jamaican food. Okay, so I just want to thank each and every one of you guys. Thank you for the love, the support. It's highly appreciated. So thank you all. We're coming from a far journey.
It ain't that far. It's like a block
Been
away.
through some stuff.
It was just a block away. Not that far.
I hate him so much. We
Oh wait, hold on. I'm talking about.
No, let me talk.
Nah, I gotta say this.
Right.
So it was Jody and I and my best friend Gio, and we got videos in there. We're gonna try to send you to put here so you can see it to move. And some cop stopped us and said, "Hey guys, you can't move on a Sunday." What?
Like, yeah, it's like a certain day to move. You don't
That's
move on a Sunday.
BS. I don't care. That's BS. So my boy was like, "Oh, you want to help us?" He was funny, and I want to give a big shout out because I know he be watching. Thank you for watching,
Yo.
Tim Rock. Thank you for watching, Tim Rock. I see you on the Xbox soon, and yeah, you the man.
He didn't do nothing on that day. Not even the bed he couldn't move, the big mattress.
No. I was holding it.
No,
I can't go up the
you
stairs.
weren't holding nothing.
I can't go up the stairs.
Gio, man, you should have even taken Gio to Vegas and treat him, because you don't do nothing.
What, we paid him, man. He's good.
No, you friends and family who support us, each and every one. Hey!
Can't wait to get apple juice, man.
So guys, yes, we're home, and you know this house is gonna be a home for us, for loved ones, you know, for friends and family. So thanks for watching, guys, and yes, we're moving up slowly but surely. We're getting there.
Why are you talking this slow?
Yes, so that's it for today, guys. You have anything to say?
Yeah.
What?
I want to say,
See, it's like he's a little bit tipsy already with that apple juice.
just strong, brother, man. Nah, but I just want to say thanks, guys. Keep on watching. We're gonna have way better episodes coming now, especially if we got something somewhere big to do with that. Cause we always had like a small. We live in the studio, so we had like a small spot. We had to move the bed, put the lighting. So this spot right here that we got is very good.
It's very
Small
big.
kitchen, but it's workable.
Why you have to go in the kitchen? Where the food part is? It's so greedy.
This is apple juice. It's hitting me now. But guys, thank you for watching. Sorry that we've been on for 2 weeks, but we told you what happened. Don't forget to subscribe.
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 You can't say subscribe.
Subscribe.
Say subscribe.
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 Hit a like.
Watch.
Hit a dislike. Hit a like. Dislike.
No
Write a
dislike.
comment.
No dislike. It's positivity over here.
Nah, if
you're
you
gonna
don't
dislike,
like it,
if you're gonna dislike,
everybody opinion to their own. If you don't like it, then write a comment and say what you can make better from our video, and then we learn from it. like I said, a dislike or like is thank you for the love.
Positivity.
Thank you for watching.
So-
Catch you soon. Love you. Doop. Okay. Good morning. Good evening. Good night.
This is not your
Catch you later.
This is not your streaming, so don't tell the people to catch you. Good night, good evening, good morning.
And you should go to Blue Chaos Tornado because every Mondays I do a $5 giveaway. It's on Mixer, so
You
come
got
and
money.
watch.
You
Nah,
got money,
I use your money.
All right, guys. Thank
And
you.
I will give a shout out to Salone, to
Duck.
okay, I want to give a shout out to Salone. I want to give a shout out to Soul. I want to give a shout out to Granny
Hi, Granny.
and Emma
Emma.
and Kurt.
And Kurt.
That's all my followers. Thank you so much.
What about
And Duck too.
Yeah, Duck.
And I want to give a special shout out for this week coming on for Leslie. Your birthday coming up. You're
We're gonna give Leslie the Jamaican style. Yeah.
Okay, Leslie gonna dodge that. Like I said, I have a shout out to Leslie. You're gonna turn 45 years old.
45. That's not the lie. She's not gonna turn 45.
It's an inside joke. You don't understand. Okay.
Okay.
So yeah, for this week and then next week until your birthday come up, we'll give you a shout out for every week. And guys, write a comment, say happy birthday to Leslie. We'll catch you later. Goodbye.
Bye, guys. Why are you drinking apple juice? So?
I'm thirsty, man. Some good apple juice. Alright,
Cheers. That empty glass cup. You greedy?